Hello, it's Dark Blizzard 960 and I'm gonna show you how to encrypt your banks customly yourself. Alright, so I made custom start trigger, which will just start it at the start of the game, and tutorials, which we'll use through an event. Alright, so custom start, what you need to do in actions is do new and then go to new action. Go to banks. First, you're gonna have to preload the bank for you. For player, you actually have to do this separately for each player, and you can't use pick each player for this. You have to do it for each player. So, like this one, and then you have to make another one and then do two. So, yeah. Alright, the bank name is gonna be tutorial. Hit OK. New bank, new action, bank, and we're gonna, once the bank is made, you can open the bank. So it's gonna be called tutorial. Alright, that's what's gonna happen. You'll make the bank. And yeah. Alright, now in tutorials, we're gonna save the bank and encrypt it. So, an event, periodic event, 5 seconds, I do it real time, actions, new, new action, bank, open bank, name, tutorial, or whatever your name is, open the bank, and we're gonna store the kills. Alright, let's just store the kills. I believe it's a string, so store string. The value. Hold on. I think you have to set this. So it's a key, so hold on. And alright, now we're good. Alright. The key, alright. The section will be called unit property. Section, it has to match exactly, it's case sensitive. Unit property key is above the section. It's supposed to like categorize the sections, so do key 1. I'll just do that, and then the value will be unit okay, hold on, where is it? I believe I picked the wrong one. I think it's supposed to be integer. Yeah, it's integer. Shoot. Hold on. Alright, so bank, store, integer. I believe this should have it. Unit kills. Perfect. Unit kills of this may need to be a specific unit. So but if not, well, I think it does. So I will spawn a larger unit, or I'll spawn Raynor. If I had him. I guess I don't. Alright. What do I have then? Okay, I'll spawn a Thor. Wait, what? Alright, that's good. So we have a Thor. Now, it's gonna store the kill integers for the Thor current as key 1 in section unit property. Oh, shoot. And then we're gonna save the bank. Alright, this should save it. So now we need to make a new trigger for the encryption. Well, actually, no, we don't. We could still use this one because it's periodic, so it'll save. So actually, what we're gonna do is it'll store this. Then it's pretty simple actually when you think of it. You go bank, and then you do store integer. Do the same thing, match it all up, unit property, and the value. We go to function, math, arithmetic, integers. So it's gonna be actually, I think I could have done this just like unit kills. Yes, I could have. Okay, so we could just remove this because this can do it all in one, which is pretty good. So we find Thor, this the unit, it's just matching what I had before. Now the kills plus, this is where you're encrypting it, plus 54321. This could be your encryption code. And you hit OK. Now it's gonna encrypt it like this, so you cannot really see it. And if you try to change it, it may bug out without knowing the correct thing. Now it'll save, and then it's gonna load it here. So let me create the load. Alright, so bank, we can, once preloaded, open the bank, the name of the bank, and then we're gonna do unit, oh shoot, wait, what, oh shoot, wrong one. Well, actually, did restore, hold on, I actually never, oh no, that's not it. Okay, unit property, set the unit property of the unit. You can use variables to set it up, but I'm just gonna select it through here because it's simpler. So Thor life, also you can comment below and I'll help you out with the variables if you want. So anyways, kills, where is it? Kills 2, bank, load integer value, key 1, in unit property, integer value, and then that will do that. That's the last open bank. So this would do that. Now, if you want to add a prevention system that will not allow you to play the game unless if it's wrong, then we can make a new function. Oh, actually, this will save it, this will load it, and so this is where it's gonna have to do it all. So open the bank unit. So it's gonna have to have, this is where it has to decrypt it. So storing value has to be algorithm. No, wait, what? Value function. Wait, did I pick the wrong one? I picked string again. Damn it. Alright, let's go store integer function math algorithm. Now, it's gonna have to subtract the key 1 player, well, unit property section unit property from bank last open banks minus, and this is where your secret key comes in, which is that as key 1, and it's gonna be unit property, and this is where it decrypts it all, and then it'll allow you to do this. So once it decrypts, this is where we can remove the player from the game if it's not correct. So if then else, we'll add it if then else, if bank load integer value, if key 1 unit property from last open bank equals equals oh, alright, actually there has to be a 2-step. Well, actually, hold on. Alright, back. So I got a better idea at it. So it has to store this, and it has to store bank store integer. We'll make a new section called this unit property called check. You can rename this file review however you want to increase security. So check key 1. This will be the unit kills. It'll be the same thing we have here. Value current. So this will store that. Now over here we can now check the bank. If load integer value key 1, if unit property equals bank load integer value key 1, what's it called, check. If it equals check, okay, if it does equal this, then that means you're good. Else end game in defeat. Oops. For player. For player. Well, you can just specify it for player 1. And this should check it correctly. And we'll find out now. We'll kill these guys. 2. 6. Alright, good. Now then, let's check the... Alright, here's the banks. So we have... actually it was the other way around. The key name is lower than the section. Key name identifies this, sorry. Alright, so check. The check is the normal one. And this is the unit property. So see how it's adding? Subtracting this by this. Alright, you also, so when it subtracts this, it has to equal this. Now, if we try to change it even by 1, actually, let's first restore it and see what we have. So exit and we're back in game. And it's 9. Alright, now let's change. Here we are. And it's the same because we didn't kill anyone. So 1, hit save, and back to... Alright, it's loading. And then it should remove me if it's not the same. Or it actually resets. Alright, hold on. Alright, I found the issue, and it's that we forgot to save it. So, we go bank, save bank, and it should work. Alright, we have 0 kills because we need to start over. And let's check the kill. Alright, here we are, 12. Now, let's increase it by 1. And let's see if it works. Alright, we're loading it right now. And it should remove me. But it doesn't. Well, alright, hold on. Alright, I believe we have to open it again after saving. So then it can compare it. Because if this negative does not, so unit property and then this the check, when it adds it, it's supposed to equal it. And if it doesn't equal it, then if it equals, then it'll do this. If it doesn't, then it'll end the game. So let's make a message to show us that it's working. We're moving in 3, add a wait of 3 seconds, and hopefully this. Alright, here's the banks. I'm gonna customize it myself. Let's add 9. So this would be 30. But I'm gonna add 1. So hopefully it works. So as you can see, it's loading. And it's working. It worked because it didn't find it correct. Alright, as you can see, it actually worked. So that should conclude and give you a basic idea. Any questions or concerns, you can tell me in the comments below. and I'll see you next time. Bye.